It's time to take 5. Now you know.
We're here at West Boca Medical Center, a Palm Beach Health Network hospital. Today we're speaking with spine surgeon Dr. Robert Norton about orthopedic spine surgery and the importance of not delaying medical care. You're a spine surgeon with a specialty in surgical and non-operative management of complex spinal conditions. Tell us about the types of conditions you treat.
We treat every pathology that affects the spine, anything from cervical disc herniations to spinal stenosis to broken bones of the spine to lower back spinal stenosis, a condition called spondylolisthesis where bones are slipping out of place, pinched nerves causing sciatica, and even spinal deformity.
You offer minimally invasive surgical treatment options at West Boca Medical Center. Can you tell us about those procedures and what are the benefits?
It's truly revolutionized the way spine surgery is performed. Old school traditional surgeries would involve big incisions that are very morbid and is quite a bit of blood loss, and patient hospital stay is extended quite a bit. Now with newer technology, we're able to do minimally invasive approaches, and what that means is we can do our big surgeries even with screws and rods and cages between the bones, all through little portals, little windows to get into the spine. And the advantage of that is it really facilitates the patient recovery. They can often go home the same day as surgery, even when they have 1 or 2 level fusions, and they can get back on their feet much quicker.
Why should a patient choose West Boca for spine surgery?
West Boca is a phenomenal hospital. They've really taken to the next level with all the renovations that they've done in the operating room. They have state-of-the-art equipment. It truly is a pleasure to operate there. The staff is great, top-notch nursing care. So from the moment you get in the hospital to the moment you leave, you have a fantastic crew taking care of you.
Many conditions, if left untreated, can become increasingly painful and even dangerous. What are the consequences of putting off an elective surgery?
Putting off elective spine surgery is something that you want to speak to your surgeon about. And I often have this conversation with my patients. It certainly is a risk-benefit discussion to have with your surgeon in the time of this COVID pandemic. But certainly there are many spinal conditions specifically that we don't want to put off if we can avoid it. If you have spinal cord compression or nerve compression that is severe, can result in permanent neurologic changes that can't be reversed. And in these situations, we want to reverse them as soon as we can by surgically operating them when it's appropriate.
What advice do you have for patients who may have pain or discomfort but are delaying care out of fear of coming to the hospital?
I would say that West Boca Medical Center has really taken every precaution and step possible to ensure the safety of the patients. All the patients are screened when they come in. They have a COVID test, their temperatures are checked. All the staff are wearing personal protective equipment at all times, and it really has become a safe environment. The patients that are being treated with COVID-19 are in a separate area. They are not mixed with any patients that are undergoing any elective spine surgeries.
We know West Boca Medical Center has received awards for patient safety. Can you share any specific awards or achievements to help someone understand why they should choose West Boca Medical Center?
West Boca has received for the 3rd year in a row HealthGrade's Patient Safety Excellence Award, which demonstrates their commitment to patient safety.
We have all heard the stories of patients being alone in the hospital, which is frightening to most. But at West Boca Medical Center, patients are allowed and even encouraged to have one support person when having an elective surgery. How important is this for the patients?
I think that's really important because part of the healing process is to have the emotional support, not just the physical fixing of the problem, but you really need to have the emotional element to that. So to that point, West Boca Medical Center has made that a priority and allows family members to stay with the patient at all times, and they abide by all safety measures to make sure that everybody is safe as possible.
Thank you, Dr. Norton, for all of this helpful information. We hope everyone understands it is important to take care of your health, and if you need surgery, please don't hesitate to go to the hospital. The doctors, nurses, and staff at West Boca Medical Center are there to keep you healthy and safe.